And welcome to the demo video for DataSci.Pro, a AI-powered end-to-end data science and analytics tool. A brief overview is that users can create multiple projects where in a project, users can upload multiple data files to perform operations such as altering datasets, joining datasets, producing visualizations, predictive models, and reports for that dataset. So to begin with, when you upload a file, you get an interactive HTML report that gives you some exploratory data analysis such as correlations, missing values, skewedness, overviews of all the columns. You can see statistics, extreme values, common values, and some interactions between the columns, any two variables, where it produces a scatter plot to see how they're correlated, correlation matrices and tables, as well as visualizations for missing values. And you can also see a sample of the data set, which you can also view here. And here you could also sort, filter, and if you do any modifications, you could export that modified data set. So we begin by asking the chat to tell us about the data. It tells us our data types and all the columns and an overview of the data set. And then we ask about the skewness of variables. It tells us our missing values and the skewness of variables. And next, we do some data alterations where we fix the skewness and remove a column. And it shows us the code ran, which is important to us because we don't want our product to be a black box and we want all the operations done to the data to be auditable by the user. And some next things we do is we ask it a broad question such as what are some insightful visualizations. And we create those visualizations and it gives the code along with the visualization. And it can also create multiple visualizations in one go. And you can also view the visualizations here where you could also download them. Next, we ask what are some types of analysis. So we go ahead and perform a regression analysis to predict severity of incidents based off of vehicle incidents based off some other features. So it gives us our model metrics, it gives us a predicted versus actual data set, the code ran, and we also ask to create a correlation matrix that interprets it, and then we do another analysis to predict precipitation, and it also gives us all those same things, the data set, some visualizations, the steps that it took, such as removing outliers, standardizing, and giving a report. Lastly, we tell it to generate a report of everything we've done so far, and it creates this lovely LaTeX report of everything that the AI has done throughout our chat. Thank you.